What's going on? We got another reset. Today we're doing the Nokia C210. If you have one of these and you have a pattern password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just remember, when you're doing a hard reset, you will delete all the data on the phone. So if you have anything important like pictures and other stuff, just know that it's going to get deleted and you can't bring it back. So that's the only downside. But otherwise, we'll get the phone back to factory settings and you can navigate to the home screen and set it back up. Also, if you guys could, subscribe, share, like, all that great stuff, we'd appreciate it. And we'll get right into it. So with this phone, it's not a button, well, it is kind of like a button combination, but it's a little bit different. The phone has to be plugged in. So what we want to do is you have your volume buttons on this side, volume up, volume down, power, and you can either use a computer or a wall outlet charger. I'm using a wall outlet charger, so just for you guys, so you guys know what I'm doing on this side. Take your charger, and we'll make sure the phone's off, and we'll hold volume up, and then we'll plug the phone in. Let me try to get this for you guys. You can see that it's going, and it should take us right to recovery while holding volume up. There we go. Once you get here, you can unplug the phone. It'll be a little bit easier to work, and then hold power and tap volume up really quick. This will get you to the reset. And then we want to scroll down with the volume buttons to scroll up and down, and the power button to confirm. Wipe data factory reset, and then factory data reset again. Now we deleted all the data, and we can either reboot or power off. We'll reboot. This is how we do a hard reset on Nokia C210. Nokia's odd. Some of them will have you plug it in, some of them won't. It's just tricky. We will be doing a teardown video on this model too, so if you guys want to see that, just let us know. If there's any other model that you guys are having trouble finding a hard reset on, just let us know, and we'll try to get that up for you. We got a ton of phones. We're going to be posting a ton more videos, so we can expedite some of the things if there's something in particular that somebody wants to see. So otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.